Security teams leverage OpsLevel to provide insight into the best practices that product development teams should follow. What we're looking at here is a service maturity rubric where the category can be for the security team specifically. In these different levels, such as bronze, silver, gold, the security team can designate what these checks and best practices are. Typically in the bronze level, we'll have checks like, is this microservice internet facing? Does the service handle PII or even PACI classification? And these types of service metadatas can inform the checks that should apply to those types of services. For example, services that are internet facing may have more stringent and rigorous checks as opposed to a service that is not internet facing. Some of the other types of checks that a lot of security teams will enforce are getting vulnerability results from different scanning tools, whether those are Snyk, Veracode, SonarQube, and being able to centralize all that information inside of OpsLevel. A gold level example could be ensuring there's automatic key rotation or no secrets are stored in code. All of these are different examples of security checks that can be incorporated in our service maturity rubric. Now, when all of these checks are incorporated, you'll then have insight into which services are passing or failing and exactly how many services are passing these types of checks. As we can see here, 100% of the services are passing this check here, whereas only 8% are passing the no open vulnerabilities found in libraries from Snyk. Now, all of this information is completely reportable, and as a member of the security team, you can dive into this maturity report here, which will highlight all the services that are in these different levels of service maturity, such as bronze, silver, and gold. But also, if you just want to deep dive into the specific security category, you can start to find out information about all the services that are either in this beginner or this bronze level from a service maturity perspective. If I click into this bronze level here, I'll start to see the different trends of services moving in and out of the bronze category, as well as how different teams are doing and how many of their services are in bronze, and which services in particular are in bronze as well. Security teams can build out that rubric and then report on all those different checks that they incorporate within the rubric itself. Thank you for learning a little bit about how security teams leverage OpsLevel.